Hello and welcome to St. Georgia Girls School, Hajipur. I, Seema Pandey, will be teaching EVS to Class 1 students today. The topic of today's lesson is health and hygiene. As we all know what health means, let us now proceed to knowing what hygiene means. Hygiene. The word hygiene has been derived from the name of the Greek goddess of health called Hygeia. Hygiene means a set of practices performed for the preservation of health. The definition of hygiene is the science and practice of maintaining good health through cleanliness. So what does hygiene mean basically? It is maintaining cleanliness. There are different types of hygiene which we will not study deeply into, but we must know what the different types are. So moving on to the types, we have medical hygiene, home and everyday life hygiene, culinary hygiene, personal service hygiene. We will mainly study about personal hygiene. As you can see in the picture, it is written, keep clean and be healthy. We have been learning and listening to this since we were very small, since we can remember. So it is a very good practice and we must all follow it. Here are some basic personal hygiene rules that we all generally follow, and if we do not, we must imbibe it in our lives. Beginning with, as we all get up in the morning, what is the first thing we do? We brush our teeth. So, what have we learned? We must brush our teeth twice a day. One in the morning just after you wake up, and one at night before going to sleep. The second is take a bath daily. Moving further, we must comb our hair at regular intervals. It is not just necessary for hygiene, but it also helps us maintain good hair. The further steps to personal hygiene include covering your mouth when coughing or sneezing. You must have been hearing a lot about this since the coronavirus pandemic. The next one is washing your hands at regular intervals, and it shows 5 steps that you must follow while washing your hands. Now, what are the 5 steps? We will see it. You wet your hands, then you take soap, then you wash it, then you rinse it, and you dry it. These are the basic steps to washing your hands. Also, we must know when to wash our hands. We must wash our hands after using the toilet, before preparing, touching or eating food, after playing with animals, after touching money, after coughing, sneezing or blowing your nose. So, it is very important for you to remember these points and include it in your daily life to lead a more healthy lifestyle. Moving on, we must cut our nails regularly. Long nails are very unhealthy. This is included in community hygiene, but it is also a major part of our personal hygiene. We must throw garbage only in dustbins. We must not litter around. You have heard this a lot earlier as well, but we must take this seriously so that we can maintain cleanliness all around us and help ourselves and the society around us to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Now that we have talked so much about hygiene, let us learn why is it important to maintain hygiene? Because it helps us to maintain good health. Without hygiene, one cannot have good health. I hope you enjoyed learning today's lesson. Thank you. But before you go, there's a little homework for you. Make sure you stick the different pictures for hygiene and write the names for it in your notebook. Also, it is hygiene which will help us fight against COVID-19 and return back to our normal lives healthy and happy. So, stay home, stay safe and maintain hygiene.